Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and we are working on the Duramax today. Hopefully get some progress and get this thing closer to completion. Honestly, today we are going to do the seat belts, get the interior finalized, with the headliner we want to put together, just make it really good inside. Might as well wrap that up so, you know, the parts don't get lost or damaged kind of thing. But today's video sponsor is Safety Restore. They got us back all the seat belts that we need to do, so that's pretty awesome. If you guys don't know them, make sure you check it out. If you need any seat belts redone, they actually redo the seat belts themselves, different colors. It's pretty cool about that. They reset modules, so they have an awesome website, user-friendly. We'll leave a link down in the description below, so make sure you check that out. So it's a pretty simple process. You just take your old ones, ship it out to them, and they'll rebuild them, repack them, whatever they have to do over there to make it back to OEM, and they'll send them back to you. Give you little instructions. Look at that. That's nice. So yeah, definitely check out Safety Restore. Ooh, beautiful packaging. It's nice.
Quality, Michael.
Quality. Oh yeah, so there they all wrapped up nicely. We get these installed, and we could finalize the little plastic covers and stuff, and
put the seats in.
Yeah, get all the trim work done. So it's gonna be nice for sure.
And then driver's wheel airbag. Might as well unplug that, get that thing out of the way.
Yeah.
And work on the headliner. So a lot of work today. Let's get straight to it. All right, since we're doing the seat belts right now, we actually had a truck come in that had a subwoofer in the back, and look at this gauge cable. So we took it out of that truck because we actually stripped it out and used it for parts. And eventually I'm gonna put a sub in this thing. You know, I've been looking online for different subs and things like that. But since we have all the plastics apart and the carpet kind of up, we might as well run the wire for it. And you know, pretty much have it pre-wired for a sub, because in the future, you know, definitely want to put a sub in here. So let's do that while we have all that taken apart, and make this thing look good.
Pretty cool. They put a zip tie on there so it doesn't just recoil and go back all the way. So you have opportunity to mount it without it just being a pain. So that's nice of them. So before you bolt this guy down, you make sure that your belt is not twisted, that it's going up and back and forth properly. For a nice, smooth, you know, seat belt, because you don't want it to be snagging and stuff like that. But it's looking pretty good. Going to get this thing bolted down. So it is a little bit of a puzzle putting this back together, because I had to feed it through that hole first. So I took this off probably 2-3 times already. But yep, that's just on there for a little bit. Overall, that's gonna pop on there like that. Right. And then first I gotta put my other piece in. So I'm just making sure, you know, you lay out all your pieces. Then you bolt it down. I'll get it.
Alright, so just like that, Michael got the seatbelt installed. It's looking good. And I got the cable coming through nicely. Looks like almost like factory, going all the way through. I found a hole in the original plug, so it's not in the grommet itself, so it went through into the engine bay and right to the battery. So let's check out how I got it in there. So I got this wire right here coming out of the firewall with the fuse, looking all good. So let's keep working. Alright guys, since we got a lot of little stuff done, we're putting a sub into this thing. We're actually going to put a TV right here for the kids, you know. We're going to pretty much load this thing up, you know, like it came from factory. So I looked online and we got this drop down. It's got like the Android system on it. It's really nice, so let's get this thing mounted and see how it goes.
Alright, so just like that, we got the mounting bracket on there. It's pretty much where it needs to be. Also the wires come into it, so that's all easily done. It's really nice the headliner's off right now, so it's a lot easier for us to access it, but let's go ahead and get that headliner back in, and then we can put the TV over and basically sandwich between the headliner. So yeah, nothing complicated about it, but it's gonna look really good out there. But yeah, let's get that headliner installed. Alright guys, there we go. We got it roughly mounted on there. It's looking pretty good. Basically, we just want to put the seats down and just kind of, you know, make sure everything's nice where it's wanting it, you know, we're supposed to be before we finally secure it, but...
Well, we want to put the front seat in, so make sure we're not hitting it.
Right.
Let's put at least one front seat in, and we'll see how close it is. And make sure it's not hitting the driver or the passenger, because we can move the TV back, but we can't move it forward, so...
Let's check it out, man. That thing is huge. Dang. Nice. Get the seat in. All right, Ivan, is it in your way?
No, I gotta say it's pretty good. Unless like we're, you know, driving and you kind of hit on the side, but I mean, it's definitely not, but I gotta say it's pretty good. I mean, that's not a bad location for it. I think the kids are gonna really appreciate it.
Oh yeah, all the road trips we go, picking up cars and stuff, take the kids sometimes.
So I won't have a passenger anymore. You're just gonna, unless I go like this, and then I lay down, and I can watch something. That's pretty cool. But let's go ahead and plug up all the stuff and see how it turns out.
Ivan's doing his wiring. Here we go. All right, a little blue LED light all around. Sweet. Here we go. Oh, it died, Ivan. Check your wires. Something fell out. It's on and off, like it just turned on, turned off.
Open up.
Nothing. Oh, here, nope. Bad connection. It's okay. I have no fixing. Here we go. Power's on. There we go. Nice. Look at that sports car in our truck.
Not that bad. Got a little blue light.
Yeah. Fasten your seatbelt. How does it know we're in a car? I'm just kidding. It's for cars. That's what it's for. Ooh.
The little things in life that get exciting, you know?
Nice. Look at that display. It looks great. Wow. Is it a touchscreen? Oh, I got the remote. Oh, it's a little. You can point it. It's a mouse. It's like a little TV, PC. Go to apps.
Go to
What? Thing's pretty cool.
go to settings, a wireless device.
Wireless devices here.
No, go back.
AirPlay.
No,
Cast.
I have hotspot.
We'll definitely play around with it. I mean, we're gonna check it out, but overall,
I think I'm pretty happy with it.
yeah, it's pretty cool. It's got a nice little remote that you can settings, try to figure stuff. Man, it's like a little laptop. It looks really nice. Find some Wi-Fi. Man, the truck's got Wi-Fi now. Sweet. Oh, now I can look at the passwords. Gonna blur that out real quick. There we go. Watching Niko Brothers, the Niko Brother truck.
And we
Sweet.
got the speakers working for the truck, everything.
Right, it's coming through the car itself. Sorry, guys, a little bright, but it's looking great. Wow, I would kind of get closer to it so you can see the scale. This thing's big.
It's pretty big, yeah. And it moves. Look at that, boom.
Nice.
I mean, the quality is really good, I gotta say. It's actually
Yeah.
really nice, you know? Plus, we'll have all the doors closed.
Bluetooth, it's got Wi-Fi. This thing's like a little laptop. It's sweet. Tablet. Oh, yeah.
I just gotta get the truck running. So once we get the truck running, we go on a road trip, go pick up a new build. Be good.
Chillin'. All right, guys, the inside is looking wonderful. Honestly, pretty happy with that TV. It is huge, and it's like a tablet inside. You got your own little screen right there for the rear passengers, so pretty cool, honestly. It's definitely motivating to keep going forward. So we're gonna button up the inside now that we have the seat belts installed. We'll put all the plastic trims in. We'll clean it all up, you know, finalize that. It's not a big deal. You guys kind of seen us taking it apart, so it's kind of repetitive, not a big deal. We'll get that taken care of. So next time you see it, it's gonna be complete, finished, done, all the seats installed, and headliners done. So pretty good. I'm happy with the inside, and it gives us motivation to keep moving forward. So the game plan over here, we're still kind of waiting for the dealer for that computer, so it'd be nice to get this thing started. I can't wait to hear it start or even spin over, honestly, you know, one step at a time before we get it running perfectly. Obviously, just gotta go through the steps. But the next thing to do, basically like I said, wait for the dealer parts to come in. We could probably work on the rear cab, the bed, basically put that together, get that on. But make sure you stay tuned for that. It's coming up next. Hopefully don't miss out. Like I said, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscription button. Catch you guys next time.